Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be spraying the 17-foot Mako rebuild with some high build. First things first, we're going to get this washed off, get it cleaned up, and I'm going to make my little tent over here into a spray booth with some tarps. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to be shooting some high build from Awlgrip. All right, so before I wash the boat, I'm going to install, or at least cut the hole for the deck drains. These are going to be the deck drains. I'll have one in that corner there, one in that corner. So I'll take a hole saw. This is an inch, so I'm going to do 1.25 inches and just drill the holes real quick, so when I wash the boat, all the water can finally drain into the bilge. All right guys, I completely forgot that when you spray a high build, there's a high chance of it clogging up the tip. I had to go ahead and just roll it out. Then I'm gonna whip up another batch and roll it out some more and do the whole boat just rolling, and maybe hit it with the brush. But like I said, it's gotta get sanded anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. My main concern is just getting it all one color so I could see exactly where it's high and low. So yeah, it's coming out good. It's actually kind of looking cool seeing it one color now. So Shoot, it is so bright I can't even see if the camera's on. The whole boat is covered in high build. You can see I am slowly and painstakingly sanding this with 320 grit. Got to do the whole entire boat, get it a nice smooth surface, fill any low spots with some fairing compound, and then get ready to shoot some 545 epoxy primer. But yeah, this is going to be a painstaking process. It's going to take all day, if not a couple days to do, but it is going to be smooth, smooth, smooth. Good morning, guys. We are back. It is going to be day 2 of the sanding on the 17-foot Mako, but I figured I'll show you the new addition to the family. Got 5 little chickens here. Say hello. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, I figured before I continue sanding, yesterday I ended up getting a little 3M. This is actually a drywall sander, but it's literally perfectly flat surface. And this is, what is this? This is actually 120 grit, so it's kind of gritty. Just trying to knock this thing down and get it as flat as possible with this. And then I'm going over it with the orbital sander lightly with 320 grit just to give it a real nice smooth finish. And just figuring out our highs and lows and just continuing sanding this whole boat. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up the video on applying high build to the boat. With that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. There's still a little bit of fairing work to do, but I don't want to bore you guys any longer. So the next video will be spraying the 545 epoxy primer, so stay tuned for that video. Until next time, guys, peace.